If you want to maintain your complexion, this 4 affordable body lotions is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my 4 affordable body lotion for soft glowy skin. So if you're interested in maintaining and glowing your complexion, you should just keep on watching. So all the body lotions I'll be mentioning in this video will maintain, moisturize and glow your fair, dark, chocolate and caramel skin tone. All the body lotions will not lighten or darken your complexion. It's very affordable and suitable for all skin types. So if you're looking for the best lotion to use and maintain your skin, you should just keep on watching. So the first or the number 1 body lotion on my list is the Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Lotion. This is one of the best and affordable lotion that will give you that soft, smooth, glowy skin. It's very hydrating and moisturizing on the body. It has a really nice texture. It absorbs very fast into the skin without giving you that tacky feel on the skin. It's non-greasy on the skin and is very suitable for all skin types. So if you have a very sensitive skin or dry skin, you should basically opt in for this body lotion. It does not have any fragrance attached to it. It's very suitable for all skin types. If you're battling with eczema, damaged skin barrier, you should basically opt in for this particular body lotion. It's going to help heal your damaged skin and relieve eczema on the skin. It's sold at the price of 3,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a really nice and affordable body lotion that is very suitable for all skin types. So moving on to the second or number 2 body lotion on my list. So the second body lotion on my list that will give you that soft, smooth, glowy skin is the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. Like, this is one of the best affordable body lotions that will soften and glow your skin. It has a really nice fragrance. I love the fact it contains vitamin C, E and B5. Like, this body lotion will not only help to heal your dry skin, it's going to give you that healthy, radiant glow on the skin. It's a really nice body lotion to use on all skin types. It's very moisturizing and hydrating on the skin. Like, you can actually use this particular Jergens body lotion without choosing a body oil on your skin. It's so hydrating. So if you have chosen to be nice to your skin this year and give it the right nutrients and moisture it requires, you should basically opt in for this particular Jergens Ultra Healing body lotion. It's going to help moisturize your skin, maintain your skin and give you that soft, smooth, glowy skin. It's very suitable for all skin types. So if you have normal skin, oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, you can use this particular body lotion. It will glow your skin and soften your skin. It will not darken you in any way. It will only help to moisturize and maintain the complexion you are in. So even if you're fair, you're dark, you're chocolate or caramel skin tone, you can basically use this particular Jergens body lotion. It's going to glow your skin and give you that soft, smooth effect on the skin. It's sold at the price of 3,800 naira to 4,000 and above, depending on where you're getting it from. So moving on, the third body lotion on my list is the Ives body lotion. So the particular one I'm actually talking about is the Ives Renewing Collagen Elastin body lotion. This particular body lotion is a really nice body lotion that will not only soften and glow your skin, it will also help to improve the appearance of your skin. Like, the fat is made with a combination of collagen and elastin protein, makes it very suitable for people with aging skin. So if you're battling with wrinkles or fine lines on your skin, you want to try out this particular body lotion. It's going to improve your skin appearance, get rid of aging signs on your skin like wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It's very moisturizing and hydrating on the skin. It will smoothen out your skin and give you that soft glowy effect on the skin. It's very suitable for all skin types and can be used by any skin complexion like dark skin, fair skin, chocolate skin or caramel skin tone. It does not irritate the skin in any way. So if you're battling with damaged skin, like your skin is thin and your green veins are showing, you can basically opt in for this particular scent Ives body lotion. It's going to help increase the collagen on your skin and treat your green veins and aging signs on your skin. So this particular body lotion is worth the try and is very suitable for all skin types. So you can basically use this particular body lotion to hydrate your skin and achieve that soft, smooth feel on your skin. It will give you that soft, smooth, young looking skin. Okay, so this particular body lotion is sold at the price of 2,500 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So moving on, the fourth body lotion I'll be talking to you guys about that will soften and glow your skin is the Nivea body lotion. So the particular Nivea body lotion I will be talking about in this video is the Nivea vanilla and almond oil infused body lotion. This is an excellent body lotion that will deeply nourish and moisturize your skin. It will make your skin soft, healthy and plump. It's a lightweight body lotion with a mild and nice fragrance. It's very suitable for all skin types. It will nourish and glow your skin. So if you want to achieve the best results with this particular body lotion, just pair it up with your favorite body oil. Or you can use this Johnson's shea and cocoa butter gel oil. Like, you're going to love your skin and you will have people complimenting your skin. It's an affordable body lotion that will give you that smooth, soft, glowy looking effect on your skin. It's sold at the price of 1,900 naira at Roban stores. So this particular Nivea body lotion is a really nice body lotion. It's very affordable and effective. So the bonus body lotion on my list that will give you that soft glowy skin is the Dr. Teal's body lotion. This is a very nice and affordable body lotion if you're looking to maintain and glow your fair, dark, chocolate, caramel skin tone. It's very moisturizing on the skin. It has a really nice fragrance attached to it. This particular body lotion comes in different varieties, but the particular one I actually love is this one with citrus and vitamin C. It's actually like my favorite. That's the Dr. Teal's Glow and Radiance with vitamin C and citrus essential oil body lotion. This particular body lotion does not only contain citrus and vitamin C, it contains vitamin E, cocoa butter, shea butter that are very moisturizing on the skin. This is one body lotion that will not only brighten your skin and give you that healthy glow on the skin, it will also help to smoothen your skin and soften your skin. It's very suitable for all skin types. So if you have dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, oily skin type, you can basically opt in for this particular body lotion. It's very suitable for people with fair skin, dark skin, chocolate skin tone. It's not going to lighten your skin. So if you're battling with dry skin or flaky skin, you can also opt in for this particular body lotion because it's very moisturizing on the skin. It's sold at the price of 4,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So if you really want to get the best results with your body lotion and achieve that smooth, soft, glowy skin tone, I advise you apply your body lotion immediately you exit the shower. That's when your skin is still damp and not dry. Like, it's going to help your body lotion to penetrate and sink in deeply into your skin. So immediately you finish applying your body lotion all over your skin, go ahead to apply your favorite body oil on your skin to seal in the whole moisture into your skin. Like, if you do this on a daily basis, believe me, you're going to have that soft, hydrated, smooth, glowy skin. You're going to love your skin. And one last thing you don't want to skip is exfoliating your skin. Do not forget to exfoliate your skin at least once a week. Try and exfoliate your skin at least once a week if you really want to achieve that soft, glowy skin. Okay, so all those body lotions will actually help to maintain your skin and not darken or lighten you in any way. So if you're looking for a body lotion that will maintain and glow your skin, you can basically opt in for any of those body lotions that I've listed in this video. So yeah, we have basically come to the end of this video. So if this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.